So you've got yourself an Insta360 One X2 and you want to kit yourself out to get the most out of your investment, but to look after it too. In this video, let me run down the 6 accessories you might want to consider to do exactly that. Let's go. Although the battery capacity of the One X2 is much bigger than the One X, if you're away for a few days or doing some intense editing while the files are still on your camera and not downloaded to your device, your battery is going to take an extra load. So a spare battery is my first suggestion. It also comes with a little case to keep it secure, and it's probably going to be a requirement for cabin luggage for spare batteries to have a little case like this pretty universally sometime soon. And if you can stretch to it, I'd add this multi-battery charger too, so you can make sure you always have a topped up battery or two at the ready. It is a little bulky though. Second up is something to protect your camera, and that is this hard shell case with a cloth finish. Rugged enough to go in your bag with a slot for a spare battery in it too, including if it's in that spare battery case. You've also got a little net pocket here to store other small things, like perhaps your soft cloth to wipe your lenses carefully to keep them clean and smear free to capture the best possible footage. Next is the rubber lens cover, which slides over the lenses of your camera to keep those precious lenses safe. It also fits nicely into that hard case too, so there's no need to remove it. You can just pop it into the case as is on the camera. Next up on my suggestion list is a compact selfie stick. You might not quite get the extension you're used to, meaning your angles are then a bit limited, but I think it makes up a lot in convenience because this is now a truly pocket-sized selfie stick, freeing you up from carrying so much gear when you're actively looking to film or take photos. Now, it's really pocket-sized. It's just a pity it won't also fit into the shell case to keep all your stuff organized. Fifth up is the new external mic adapter that Insta360 have just released. I haven't posted any videos about this yet, but I will very soon. If you want really decent quality audio and you're prepared to make the effort, an external mic adapter is the best way to go. It fits nicely into the width of the camera, so the software stitches it out so you can't see it in your video. However, it does leave you wondering, where do you mount the mic? So that brings me to my final suggestion in my 6. Here's a cage by SmallRig that's been made for the One X2. With 2 cold shoe mounts, it's perfect to mount an external mic that you've connected to your external mic adapter that I just talked about. It also has folding finger mounts like the latest generations of GoPro, so you can use any action mounts you may have handy, as well as a removable hard finger mount and a traditional 1/4 inch mounting thread for a tripod or your trusted selfie stick. It's got soft pads lining the case to prevent scratches, and it also comes with a bonus silicone lens cap. So remember that when making your list of purchases so you don't double up on that. It is pretty heavy though, and it will also mean it no longer fits in that shell case. So also factor that into your decisions. I hope you found this a helpful little guide to some of those accessories you might want to try. Like, share, and even subscribe if you've liked my video, and remember, you can applaud and even become a channel member too. Thanks for watching. I'm Saab Johal. Laters in it.